Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video, we are going to see how to create user-defined packages in Java. In this case, we are using Eclipse IDE. If you have IntelliJ, you can use it also. So first, we need to create a Java project. Go to File, New and Project, like a Java project. So the Java project test is created. Inside the source folder, we have to create the package. Right-click the source folder and new package. I am going to name the package pg1. I'm going to create the another package pg2. So inside pg1 and pg2, I need to create some classes. The first class, I'm naming it as employee. Inside the employee class, I am going to create a function. So next, I'm going to create the main function in pg2 package. This is the main class. Make sure you have to check the public static void main checkbox here for the main function. So the Java main function is created. So we have to import the package here. So the package one is pg1. Inside the pg1, we have a class name employee. So that is here. So whenever we need to call the package, we have to create object. We need to create the object with a class name. Using this object, we can call the method fun here. If we run this project, this test will be shown. Here is the output. The string value is displayed from the package employee.